What's up, bro? What's up? So I am making this video because how to use it. Okay, so this is our channel. I upload yesterday about some photos, right? Yesterday. So you can see the code name is Bhagesh218. We already uploaded file. You can see this file. Okay, just download it. Okay, just download it. And I want to say something before going to show you how to use it. So this is a name, Bhagesh218. It is just name. It do not carry any virus. Okay, any virus. Nothing is fraud. Nothing is fake. Okay. I know a rapper whose name is Lil Dicky. That doesn't mean he's a dick, right? His name is just like this. So they same like this, man. It's just name. Bhagesh218, just name. So okay, I want to say more something you may get some slow experience. Why? Because we use HDD instead of SSD. This is just hard disks. This is a hard disk. These two are hard disks, but this is very costly. It is like chipset, and this is like a fan. It's always running. So if this is take 10 seconds, it will take 15 seconds. That's the difference. Okay, or 10 to 20 seconds it will take, not more than this. That's it. In our last two sockets we use SSD, but in here we use HDD because here is so much data, and we told you if you fail or 24 hours not run, we will give back your money, right? It doesn't make sense. Here you can see gold pairs, news filter. We have added much more things. So let's get down to the business. So where is our file? Okay, this is our file. This is it, Bhagesh200. So after download it, you can see this kind of a rug. Just extract here. Just click on the bot. Just click on this name bot. You can see. Just click on it. You can maximize the screen or you can minimize the screen that you wish. Just be sure your Wi-Fi is connected. You can see my Wi-Fi is connected. So your email, your IT option mail. Okay, just after typing it, just press enter and give your IT option password. If you are afraid to give us your password, give password in here. Okay, we do not need your password. We just need your IT option mail. So if you are afraid to give typing here your password, just simply make a temporary account without verification and say, does that mean, motherfucker? Let me hold you. Someone says, okay, Bhagesh280 carries virus. Motherfucker, look at this, motherfucker. Look at this, motherfucker. Where is it? Look at this, my Windows Defender is running, motherfucker. Look at this. Look at this, motherfucker. My real-time protection is on, motherfucker. My wall are open, man. Look at this, motherfucker. So let's type my password. I am using a caps lock. Okay, all is connect. My caps lock is not open. Just press enter after the password. License is verified. That means this mail is verified with our server, right? Successfully connected. Updated versions. Successfully connected means it is connected to IP option server. The updated version means it is totally new version. It is total. We do not give any updates of 280. Okay. Do you want to analyze all open parties? That's yes for Y and for no. That means, do you want to analyze all the pairs in a single time? If you type yes, let's say here we use AI and APY. AI, APY. AI contains Y. And APY contains no. What is the difference? AI is artificial intelligence. API is manually trading. Manually just type data. Manually just type with the pairs name. So if you use AI, our socket will analyze the market. Okay, the present market. Okay, the very good minimum 80% which have payout. Payout means the payout, if you trade $10, you will get $8. So you will get that kind of all signals. But if you use N, that means it will not. You just type in your own pairs, right? Just typing your own pairs, just like in our previous socket booster. There we use APY. That means you have to just type the pairs manually. In the Barclays to 160, we use AI. That means you cannot choose manually pairs. But in this socket we use combined signals. That means you can do manually setup, you can do the automatically setup. So I do not want to analyze all the pairs. I just use N with the capital letter and just press enter. What pairs do you want to analyze? It is called here parities because as you ordered last time, that you don't you need a new name. So I want to analyze this because today's OTC market is open. You can see here today is Saturday. So I want to analyze EURUSD. Just type in a capital letter or big letter and OTC, give a comma, and USD INR OTC. Here you can see separate with comma. Example is just like this. Do not give any space in here, and in the end just press enter. How many days do you want to review? I want to review 1 day. Which time frame do you want to analyze? We have used here 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or you can say 1 hour and 2 hour, 4 hour. This is all you can choose. This is all the pairs you can choose in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 varieties in time frame. So I need 5 minute signal, so I'll just type 5 and do not need to type any or one. Just press enter. How many martingales do you want to use? You can choose 0, you can choose 100 martingales, you can choose 2 martingales. So I need 1 martingale signal, so let's say 0 martingale signal. I just press enter. Do you want to remove signs with news? So OTC have no news, as you know, but if it's real market, let's say it's real market, suppose a news is happening at 13. So if you type here 10, that means before and after, 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after. That means 13 to 13:10 and 12 to 12:15. If any signal, okay, if any signals you will get no. If any signals you will not get because you use news filter. Okay, we all the day it's take news so you don't need to use. So you just type 10 or to 12 15 minutes which is affected, which news is affected with the market. Just type 10. So I don't want to take 10 minutes before and after signals of the news affected, so I will just type that 10. But OTC has no news, so we will use N in capital letter. But if I have news in the real market, for real market just type 10 before and after 10 minutes, or before and after 2 minutes, before and after 20 minutes, before and after 60 minutes. Okay, that's it. So we have no news, so we'll just type N, press enter. It is analyzing. Look, every 5 minutes it will analyze. Every 5 minutes of last 1 day it will analyze. Every 5 minutes. Everything is clear. Now USD INR is happening. Look at this USD INR. Just press on enter. Okay, it will quite. You can see another is opening. Okay, just click on it. I hope this is running. Okay, so this on this, click on this. You can see a file is completely downloaded. Just click on double click. You can see these signals. You can see these signals, right? There are every minute signals. 20, 15, 55, right? Because we use we give here less days, 1 day. So it's giving us more signals, right? So okay, let's open my chart. Now is 14 time, right? 14 times we have the signals at this EURUSD is called now, and our previous candle was put. So I basically type less data, sorry, 1 day signals. So let's go to here. Yeah, we need all USD. We choose 5 minute signals. You can see 5 minutes. This is 20 date. This is month, right? And this is M. 5M means 5 minute signals. So last signal was our put. EURUSD 10. Okay, this is USD 5. Look at this. This signal is this, right? This call. Next signal was put. This is 10 candle, and now next signal is called call. You can see, and the previous candle was put. Previous candle was put, and previous candle was call. This candle was call, and then previous candle was put. This is a loss trade, but the previous candle was put. This is a put. Previous candle was call. Last 3 candles call. Last 3 candles has call. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And one thing that is why you can see last night we have a very good result in one. We just use one martingale. One martingale. 2 is not necessary. 2 is not necessary. 2 is not really not necessary. We aim back to give all your money back if you fail in this socket.